you want to see what we got in HelloFresh, honey?
No, I'll just wait for the vlog.
Don't you want to be on the vlog?
I just want to go and sit in the sun.
It's really nice in the sun. Hi guys! Back at it again with another vlog. You can look at it. I just thought I'd switch the camera on because got some exciting things today. Got our HelloFresh. Also got my new dressing gowns from Adair's finally. Honey, I already know what you're going to want. Enchiladas? Is that what your face just said? Yeah. Show the camera what meals we got. While I show you, don't look at my dressing gown yet. I'm going to try and show you. Show them what we got.
We got Portuguese style chicken with potato wedges, garden salad. Mexican beef enchiladas with charred corn salsa.
We love enchiladas. We've had them before, I think.
And whatever the hell that is, yogurt chicken.
Don't look yet.
With jeweled rice and lemon yogurt.
We're going to surprise you. Close your eyes. New dressing gown. How about that? How about that?
Snow leopard.
Honey, feel how soft I feel. Come feel me.
You're hard as nails, mate. You're soft.
Oh, isn't it just beautiful? How do you guys like it? A new vibe or what? And I've got my Pringles too for my afternoon snack.
Right.
I also got a plain charcoal one. I'm so bogan and so Australian sometimes, it literally kills me. So I got my leopard print one and I got a charcoal one. So I like to have two dressing gowns on the go. My other one's a little bit manky because, you know, when one's in the wash and when it's winter, sometimes they don't dry in time. So I figured I'll probably vlog whatever one of these we cook tonight, and I'm guessing by the look of Brett's face when he was looking at what we have, he wants the enchiladas, which I'm positive we've actually had these before and they were really delicious. So if you guys like watch all of my vlogs, you might remember in December I was saying that like I just couldn't get on the HelloFresh bandwagon, and I was kind of like, oh, it's just such a pain in the ass. But now that I'm getting used to actually cooking again after not cooking for so long, I actually really enjoy it. It's not cheap, I wouldn't say. Like, it's an expensive way of eating, I guess, but it's a healthy way of eating. So you can just leave the recipes in the bag and they have like the little reference on them for what recipes what, but I just pop it straight in the fridge. Sometimes leave it in the bag. I think I need to start putting things in the crisper though, so it doesn't go bad so quickly. Oh, enchiladas! Is that what we're gonna have, honey? They squished our bloody tortillas. Come on now. Oh.
Oh.
It smells really good. Oh. Don't burn your face.
Do you reckon it needs a bit crispy? Bit of a crisp?
Yeah, that bit needs a little bit more crispage. Look at our oven tray. We should be ashamed. Do you know what Mum said? She was like, I watched your vlog with the oven tray. You're a dirty bitch. Oh, that would sound so good on camera.
Do you like the sound of that? Welcome back to our ASMR. We're about to eat some dinner. Stop doing that, you freak.
Guys, I got Lily and Leah Easter presents. They're costumes. They're like a harness with a little cape and rabbit ears. Oh. I'm dying. I'm actually dying. Oh, Lily and Mia, I got a present for you. Oh, Mimi's coming. Come here. I got a present. Oh my God. Please get my phone.
What do you want?
Oh, that's how you meant to do it.
Yeah,
Stop.
Chin strap. That's,
Oh my God, Mia.
That's so not like
Show Daddy.
kind.
Show Daddy.
You needed to get over to you.
Oh my god.
Hers is straight off.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm very mummy. Oh shit. Hey guys, I don't even know what I vlogged last. I literally, my vlogging game has not been on point recently. Life has just been a little bit too chaotic to just pick up the vlog camera as well. And I've sort of been like, when I've been at home, focused on doing things for myself and getting shit done around the house and stuff like that, because my weeks have just been so busy. So I'm sorry, but I'm gonna pick up my game and get back in the swing of things. It's Easter long weekend this weekend, so I've got some stuff happening. I also have some things coming in the mail that are like home related that I wanted to show you. I actually have some stuff at mum and dad's at work, because I get all my parcels sent there because there's always someone there, and I have a really exciting parcel waiting there, so I'm going to show you guys that this afternoon. I don't know if I've got HelloFresh coming this week. If I do, it should come today, but I haven't had a text message yet. I might have skipped this week, I'm not sure. I kind of, I really love HelloFresh, but it's getting a little bit expensive, and now that it's becoming winter, I kind of like stews and soups more than anything this time of year, and I've got a Thermomix and stuff, so I figured I might put a pause on HelloFresh and do a little bit more of my own cooking and use my Thermomix now that it's getting cold, because the Thermomix is so good for soups. If you guys are interested in me like sharing my Thermomix soup recipes and stuff, you just let me know and I can do some vlogs of that too. And yeah, so I'm just going to keep vlogging, try and vlog the next couple of days, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, Brett doesn't know what's in this box of goodies.
What's in the box?
That's not what I want to show you. Are you ready? Close your eyes, put your hands out. I'll show the camera first.
Do I have to guess?
You don't have to guess. You just look at it.
I already knew you got that.
Yeah, but you didn't know it was coming.
You told me on the phone.
Did I tell you I got it?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh my god, I was expecting like a legit surprise.
Your surprise is me, honey, and the fact that I got my vegetable slicer too. And I'm gonna make stew, because I wanted to try the vegetable slicer, and I figured we could vlog the vegetable slicer together, and you can vlog how the knife sharpener works.
I'm sure they're all very excited.
It's a knife sharpener.
To see you slice some vegetables.
Mate, don't mock us, because we do all get really excited about that type of stuff. I also bought 2 new oven trays, because they're nice and clean, so we can throw out the really dirty ones. They're on special.
Guys, make sure you let me know in the comments below if you're really excited to see how to slice some vegetables.
You're going to help, because you're going to sharpen your knife. I've got my ingredients. Stew. Except I have no capsicums. No, wait, I've got to get the camera up so I can see you sharpen the knife.
Oh my gosh.
Can I touch the knife before you sharpen it, and let's see if it really works?
Well, let's see if I can get this.
Well, it's pretty blunt. We know that, because it's really hard to cut anything with our knives these days, because they're so blunt. Oh, I can hear it sharpening it. Oh, I'm so tired that I really want to use my new stuff. Oh, I need to cut bacon. Oh, yeah, some peel your onion.
Yeah, it tastes better. I might do it a bit more though.
And then I've got my new grating device, which I'm so excited about. Oh look, it came with a new peeler too. So let's try the slicer, I guess.
So you'd hold it down vertically, yeah, and just turn it.
I think so.
It should be right.
And I just need to put that silver bowl. Yeah, you need to hold it down, I think, and you put some pressure on it, and then once it gets too low, you use this. Oh.
Does it have a suction?
Yeah, it's meant to.
That way.
Yeah, I had it on. That's working. That's right. Okay. Alright, so now we're going to try the grater. Oh, well, it definitely works well for grating. Oh, there's still a little bit there though, around the barrel. These little stupid bits. Oh, did I just break that? I heard something click. So my verdict on this, I don't know, I don't think it's that good. Like, I mean, it's easier for grating than using like a traditional grater, but for slicing, I think I'd rather still just chop my veggies up with a knife, if I'm totally honest. So yeah, I'll keep trying it and let you guys know, but I feel like the slicer doesn't slice the chunks as thick as I would like. So yeah, but I'll keep using it. I think I might have broke it. I heard a crack when I was pushing down on it, so I don't know. But that's that. I'm already hungry because I ate so many Pringles and so much chocolate. Sloppy Joe! Looks like absolute slop. But I mean, it's stew, so.
Remember how stew goes straight through me, mate?
Tastes alright. Made better. But it'll do. I'm gonna sign off and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.